What the fuck is up, Guru Gang? I'm back with another video, and as you can see, it's a hair video. I just took down my twist, and I was at the beauty supply store. Y'all know I'm always shopping, you know, just looking for new stuff to review. And I happened to pass by, you know, Creme of Nature's new charcoal and clay line. And I'm like, sis, has anybody even did a video on this yet? I think not. So I said, let me pick up everything they got on the shelf. And right now, I don't know if they have anything else coming out, but first they have the pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask. And here's what it looked like. It's kind of like the bentonite clay, I guess, but it's Creme of Nature's take on the bentonite clay mask. We have the shampoo, sis. And lastly, I have the conditioner. So if y'all want to know how these products work on my 4 type hair, my type 4 hair, please watch the video. Excuse me, because sis, I am sick. I'm breathing hard. It smells like, I don't know how clay masks smell, but it has a very perfumey smell to it. It looks kind of like a pasty substance. I'm going to add this to my hair. And mind you, you guys, this is a pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask for all hair types. It says that Creme of Nature's clay and charcoal collection is infused with a blend of Moroccan Rasol clay, bentonite clay, and activated charcoal. This collection detoxifies by removing buildup, softens, and revitalizes all hair types instantly, leaving hair soft to the touch and easy to style. The purpose of this product is to cleanse and infuse deep moisture, provides touchable softness, mineral-rich formula, detoxifies by removing product buildup, controls frizz. So, okay, by the way, first mess up. It's supposed to be done on dry hair. So, I'm just gonna keep going with this. And so the smell is and perfumey. How about that? It's making my hair soft and very manageable. My ends don't feel dry. Everything feels very moisturized. How my hair looks on the first side with product, with water. I want to do this side dry. I don't like it when it's on dry hair. Yeah. I'd rather wet my hair first and then add it. That's just my preference. To see how it works while it's brushed out but no water. So this side I brushed it out and added water. This side I left it dry, did not detangle it or brush it out. And this side I'm going to brush it out and add the product. So y'all can see how it looks at all different stages. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. It's such a high. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. out, and what can I say? My hair is not dried out. It's very smooth. My strand is very smooth. It's not dry. It doesn't feel stripped. It feels hydrated to a certain extent. My ends does not feel brittle. So all in all, I think the clay mask did do something. My hair smells like it. It smells very good once you rinse it off. I think it was like a first stage cleansing because I know my scalp is still dirty, but it probably just took like different impurities off of my strands. So yeah, it smells good to me. It smells like plastic. If your hair isn't a twist out and you're adding this product on dry hair and your hair is still kind of in the form of twists, kind of, or whatever, yo, this brush your hair out before because it can turn into gnats, and it was like knots in my hair a little bit. I had to take out when I was taking out this side. So, you know, just be aware of that if your hair is prone to knotting. It's like a very cooling feeling, man. And I know why it's slimy. It's because it has real aloe vera in it. That's dope. That's dope. Because if you use like a real aloe vera plant, you know it's like very gooey. While I'm putting it on, I do not feel like it's stripping my hair. It has a very cool feeling, like soothing and cooling my scalp. My hair is in sort of a tangle at the bottom to my ends, but other than that, it doesn't feel like it's stripping my hair, but I won't really know fully until I rinse it out. So this is my hair after I rinsed out the shampoo. As I was rinsing it out, I felt like my ends were a little bit stripped. Just my ends though, just my ends. Back that was a little bit drying. Like it stripped my ends in the back a little bit. But as far as my hair strands are soft. This side, the ends is very dry. And that can just be because of my hair. Here is the consistency of the conditioner. The whole line smells the same. But that damn clay, that shit's strong. And here is the consistency of the conditioner. So far, I don't know about this damn conditioner, but we are going to see. We're going to wait till the end because I don't like saying something before I rinse it out because you never know how it's going to treat your hair when you rinse it out. So, this conditioner is bringing the back of my hair back to life. Like, y'all, my hair is not dry back here anymore. It feels so hydrating. This is the finished product of me washing out the conditioner. And how can I say I feel about this? Well, the shampoo definitely has my scalp feeling clean, but the conditioner has my scalp, like, it really intensified the cooling. I don't know what cooling mechanism they have in this damn conditioner, but my scalp feels like I didn't put peppermint oil. It just feels fresh. It just feels very, very soothed and clean. So I do like that the conditioner intensified that feeling. And I also like that conditioner gave me some shine. Now, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I definitely can because I know my hair. But my hair is definitely looking like hydrated and shiny. I can literally push my fingers down my shaft and it just still has slip. It doesn't feel drying. So that's a plus. So the shampoo, I give it about, the conditioner, I give it a, I'm gonna give it an 8. The shampoo, now, for that shit it did with the back of my hair, I wasn't fucking with it. On that point, I don't know what the hell was going on. But the rest of my hair was good. So I do give the shampoo an 8. The clay mask. Now, that was my first time ever using a clay mask on my hair. And I can say I really liked it. It wasn't bad at all. I really enjoyed the clay mask. What I can say is that you need to put some more in here because I damn near used half of the whole thing. And I know for people that have more hair than me, it's just like, sis, the damn is almost gone, you know? But this was $6. The other two, the shampoo and the conditioner, was $5.49. So it's not a bad price for what you get. You get 11 ounces for $6. So it's not bad, but I really would have enjoyed it if it was like more filled to the top, you know. But all in all, this charcoal and clay line is dope as fuck. Creme of Nature always come out with some dope ass products. Little mango their mango shampoo or their I see shampoo and conditioner. This shit is dope. Like, if y'all haven't tried Creme of Nature's lines and you have really dry hair, it's like kind of dedicated to that. It's kind of focused on hydrating hair. So I'm telling y'all, like, even their box dye is dope. I used their box dye to dye my hair black and it turned it black. So I guess that's the end of my video. I gave you how I feel. I rated the products and I hope you enjoyed it. And see you in my next video. Guru Gang!